got a swivel, table swivel. Swivel that table any way you want. For some reason they got a drum switch on here for both rotations. So this is left, so it's going to go left. So it shuts down.